All right, guys, so I'm going to go over a couple example problems from today's worksheet. It's the same one-step equations as we did yesterday, just new examples. It's going to be page 18 in the workbook. I'm going to give you 3 of these ones just so you have notes and something to work off of. Remember, the assignment that needs to be turned in is questions 21 through 40. You're going to enter the answers in today's assignment for Canvas. It's actually going to be due tomorrow night at midnight. All right, first example that we're going to do is number 21. So first step that I always want to do when I'm solving equations, I'm going to find the equal sign. I'm going to draw a line. Okay, I want to make a left side and a right side. My next step, I want to find my variable or my letter because I want to move any number that's on the same side as that letter to the other side. So that would be negative 11. Now, when a number and a letter are attached or connected like this, it is implied that they are being multiplied. So I'm going to put a little multiply dot there for you. Okay, remember, whenever we're solving these equations, we want to do the inverse or opposite operation. So the opposite of multiplication would be division. So I'm going to divide by negative 11. And now whatever we do on one side of this equal sign, we have to do on the other side. I have to keep everything balanced. So I'm going to divide by negative 11 on this side. Okay, then I'm going to continue to simplify here. I go back to this right side, negative 11 divided by negative 11. It's going to be canceled out. I'm going to bring down my variable. I don't want to forget about it. So I'm going to bring my v. I'm going to bring my equal sign down. Then I come over here and I have my math problem. 143 divided by negative 11. Whether you do it in your head or the calculator, which is perfectly fine, you will get negative 13. So that would be my answer for my equation. So for number 21, you would go into the Canvas and put negative 13. Next example, number 23. Okay, again, first step, find my equal sign, draw my line. I find my variable, my letter. I want to move anything on that side to the other side, so that would be 5. It's being added right now, plus 5, so the opposite of addition would be subtraction. So if I subtract 5 on this side, I'm going to subtract 5 on that side. Go back over here where the plus 5 is. So 5 minus 5 would be 0. Means they canceled out, which is good. I'm going to bring down my x and my equal sign. Go to the other side and do my math problem. Negative 14 minus 5, negative 19 would be my answer to 23. Last example I'm going to go over, number 30. First step, equal sign. Find my letter. The number that's on the side of the letter would be 8, which needs to go to the other side. Remember, when a number and a letter are connected like that, it is implied they're being multiplied. So the opposite of multiplication is division. What I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other side of the equal sign. So I'm going to continue to simplify here. I go back to this side. 8 divided by 8 is 1. It cancels out. I bring down my letter x, bring down my equal sign. Negative 8 divided by 8 is negative 1. So that would be my answer to the equation. And that is today's lesson.